Hey, foodies! Welcome back to Dress, Dine, and Shine. I'm your host and friend, and today we're dishing out the ultimate game changers that'll take your cooking, eating, and entertaining to the next level. Get ready for the hacks that'll make you shine in the kitchen and at the table. 10 game-changing foodie hacks you need to know. Hack number 1. Peeling garlic quickly. Did you know that you can peel garlic in just a few seconds? Simply place the garlic cloves in a microwave-safe bowl, cover it with a plate, and microwave for 10 to 15 seconds. The heat will loosen the skin, making it easy to peel. Hack number 2. Reviving leftover rice. We've all been there, leftover rice that's dry and tasteless. But don't throw it away just yet. Simply add a tablespoon of water to the rice, cover it with a damp paper towel, and microwave for 30 to 45 seconds. The steam will revive the rice, making it fluffy and delicious again. Hack number 3. Chopping onions without tears. To avoid tearing up while chopping onions, try chilling the onion in the refrigerator for 30 minutes before chopping. The cold temperature will reduce the amount of sulfur compounds released into the air, making it easier to chop without tears. Hack number 4. Cooking perfect scrambled eggs. The key to making perfect scrambled eggs is to cook them low and slow. Whisk the eggs with a fork, add a splash of milk or cream, and cook over low heat, stirring constantly. This will result in creamy, fluffy scrambled eggs that are sure to impress. Hack number 5. Ripening avocados quickly. If you need to ripen an avocado quickly, try placing it in a paper bag with an apple or banana. The ethylene gas produced by the fruit will help ripen the avocado in just a few hours. Hack number 6. Preventing pasta from sticking. To prevent pasta from sticking together, add a tablespoon of olive oil to the boiling water. The oil will help reduce the starches on the surface of the pasta, making it less likely to stick together. Hack number 7. Making perfect roasted vegetables. The key to making perfect roasted vegetables is to cut them into similar sized pieces and toss them with oil, salt, and pepper. Roast in the oven at a high temperature, stirring occasionally, until tender and caramelized. Hack number 8. Freezing herbs. To preserve fresh herbs, simply chop them up and place them in an ice cube tray. Add a little water or oil to the tray and freeze. The frozen herb cubes can be used in soups, stews, and sauces all year round. Hack number 9. Storing spices fresh. To keep your spices fresh for a longer period, store them in airtight containers in a cool, dark place. You can also freeze whole spices like cumin seeds, coriander seeds, or cinnamon sticks to preserve their flavor and aroma. Hack number 10. Reducing food waste. To reduce food waste, plan your meals in advance and make a grocery list to avoid buying too much food. You can also repurpose leftover food into new dishes or freeze it for later use. For example, you can use leftover vegetables to make a soup or stew, or freeze leftover rice to make fried rice later. That's it for today's video on 10 game-changing foodie hacks. I hope you found these tips helpful and informative. Thanks for tuning in, lovelies. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you never miss a culinary hack. Join me next time on Dress, Dine, and Shine for more foodie fun, and until then, stay fabulous and bon appetit.